So yeah, hi guys, I'm here and I'm back for another unboxing. And this actually came in pretty late, I guess. But Yesasia has like the release date much later than the other K-pop stores because they have to ship it to Hong Kong and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, I got Twice's fourth mini album, and it's Signal, and it came in 3 versions. Joey is going nuts with the versions and all. And it only came with like one pre-order photo card set, so that is good. Well, not really actually, since these are actually easy to collect since you get it when you pre-order stuff. So yeah, let's just open this first just to get this out of the way. Here are the cards. This Nyan card is kind of scary, and the colors, yeah. So oh, really plain background, especially compared to like Twice Coaster Lane 1 and 2. So yeah, we have Jonghyun, Momo, my bias. I'm not a fan of this hair, to be honest. We have Sana, we have Jihyo, Mina, Dahyun, Chaeyoung, and Chewie, and the group card. So yeah, I would have actually wanted this to be, I don't know, all in like, I guess the forest setting, just because I think the background just looks much better compared to like when they're inside or something. Or maybe the place where it had a lot of like shipping crates or something. Yeah, that would have been a really nice location as well. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna do it from light to dark. So I'm gonna do this one first, then this one, and the last one is the blue one. So I'm not sure which version is which, but yeah. So it's very holo. Kind of reminds me of some Cosmic Girls albums, just because it's holo as well. So yeah, Signal, we have them in what looks like a swimming pool thing. I don't know. So yeah, so much glare though. Signal Twice. Then the back is just hearts. It's like so hard to like show this because it's so holo. Then the track list. I'm not even sure if you can like see it. Yeah, Signal as a track. I'm not that big of a fan, I guess. Oh, I forgot that there was like, you know, a random CD plate. I got Chewy. I always get the Chewy thing and a Dahyun. So I'm just gonna like remove the cards. Oh my god, I saw the card that I got. I think I'm quite happy with that though. So yeah, you're gonna get 1 out of 27 cards here. Then a special card. So yeah, let's just do this. It's gonna be a very long unboxing. You know what this reminds me of? You know, I watch Joan Day vlogs, and this looks like the style Nanda Cafe. I think it is. It is the style Nanda Cafe. Because it, yeah, that's why it looked so familiar. The Pink Hotel. You look so nice. Mina always like has that like seductive look. I think it's unintentional, but seriously. Then Dahyun, very cute. Chaeyoung's hair, I'm still not a fan of it. If only she would like grow it a bit longer, I think. Like in Chewy. I think for Chaeyoung's hair, if she had like, I think like a bob cut or something, yeah, that would look really nice. Like, very angular and stuff. So yeah, we have Chaeyoung, Nayeon, and Mina. We have Sana, Jihyo, and Chewy. Then we have Jonghyun, Dahyun, and Momo. Then we have their superpowers here. Then I think this is like a message to I don't know which. I think the superpowers are a bit really done, I guess. But seriously, if this isn't the style on the cafe, I don't know what it is. But now we're in a laundromat. Then there's thanks to and group shots. Then that's a really nice group shot though. Pretty cute. Then have the lyrics. Then we have, I guess, like a preview of the next photo book or so. Something. Then white. So I think I should just like reveal the cards or something. So yeah, there's a photo. It really is a photo though. So matte on the back, glossy on the front. So we have a group shot, them using the signal thing. Then we have an ad. Then the cards that I got. Oh, I got Chaeyoung and Jonghyun. So nice, I got Jonghyun. So I don't collect Chaeyoung though. So I'm gonna be trading this or selling. Yeah. Oh, it actually has art at the back. That is so cute. Yeah, that's that. Then let's do the red version. I'm just gonna like put this here so that I can use it like kind of a stand. So So here is the cover of the red version. This is like the schoolgirl outfits in like some room. Here's the side. Here's the back. It's just like a red version of the. Then I got the Chaeyoung. Comment down below how many Chaeyoungs I'll get in this video. So I'm just gonna like quickly. There, so this is like more space themed, I guess, because of the navy blue colors, but it's not. So yeah, it's just them in like a very, very rich looking place or something, library or so. Nayeon. I think it's always in H order though. Jonghyun. Jonghyun's hair with this length is really nice. Momo. Sana, Jisoo, Mina, Dahyun. I really like this look for Dahyun. Yeah, Chaeyoung. Yeah, Chui looks unreal here. Then we have group shots now with like bigger groups, like 5 and 4. So we have their superpowers here, and some cute illustrations on what their superpower is. That is a really weird shot of Chui. No, like her legs are like so straight. Like this looks like a different photo than this one. And so with the bigger groups, like kind of like class pictures. And I guess it's the same shoot as this. I feel like I've seen these, or not. Maybe it's just the different, same setting, different pictures. Yeah. We have more of the class picture looking things. Then yeah, just blue paper on page. I wonder if the photo is the same for everything. Oh, it's different. Oh, Oh, I saw the card. Actually, you saw it, guys, as well. So, I got a Chewy special card. Oh, that's so cute. So, there, someone is like passing the card to her. So I guess when you like put it in like a certain way, it will look like they're connected to each other. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got an Ion. I got the C version card, the signal card. I'm not a fan of this lighting though. It's a bit unflattering. So I got like a pink border one, then the special signal card. So I don't know if I'll be getting the other version here. So far 1 out of 3, 1 out of 4 cards is my bias. So that's a bit good, I guess. So yeah. So here is the last one. This is the one shot in the laundromat. Signal. And the back. Just so hollow. I feel like it's messing up my camera. So I got an Ion CD play. So yeah, I guess like 1 out of 9 chances for like the 3 CDs and the cards, and I only got in my bias ones. So 9 is a popular member, so I don't think I'll have any problems trading. Yeah, pink photo book. Oh, still with the style of the cafe. But isn't that like the same photo book? Wait, I feel like I've read something like it's 1 out of 2 photo books or something. If that's so, then that actually kind of sucks though. Like, why is there a 3rd version? It would have been better if they had like 3 photo books though. Now I kind of feel cheated. So yeah, it's the same photo book, so it's like you're gonna quickly flip through this. How is she in? Oh, okay. There. Like, not even like other shots. Yes, same thing. I mean, there's like an entire set of the laundromat pictures that we didn't even like get the whole photo book for. So, yeah, that's just sad. So yeah, I'm just hoping that the card redeems this version. So yeah, oh, different group photo. So yeah, then that, then 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Xiumin and Sana. Yes. So probably the most disappointing version, I guess, just because it was the last one that I opened. But I got 2 of my biases here, so I got 3 of the bias. I didn't get like a Momo or a Mina card, but seriously. So yeah, I'm just gonna like put all of these together. Where's the other card? Yeah, there. So I got a Xiumin. So I only need like 2 cards for Xiumin now, and then I still need like 3 cards for Sana, then all of the cards for Mina and Momo. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Oh, it wasn't. It was out of focus though. So yeah, that was it for this unboxing. Yeah, I can't say that this was my favorite release of Twice. Maybe it's like my least favorite out of the like title tracks, but yeah, I listened to the other tracks in the album itself. So yeah, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.